Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video on transmission. Today we're talking about CVT, continuously variable transmission. This transmission works on pulley connected with chain to the cones. This changes the gear seamlessly without any trouble and without any variation. It smoothly changes the gears according to the speed of the car, and the advantage is it increases when the gear is changed. It also increases boost the power in the engine as well as boost the fuel economy. CVT is useful in city drive and as well as highways and uphill. This is what CVT is. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.